Hello again. Let's talk about the application process for your new rental. Keep in mind, Instant Renters works very hard to keep this step stress-free and simple. Here's what you need to do to apply. Once you have identified a home, you will fill out a rental application. From there, we will pull your credit. We will also need a copy of your driver's license, front and back. And in some cases, 2 months bank statements, but we'll let you know if you need that. Now, here's the caveat. If the home is managed by a property management company, they have their own system and they like to do everything themselves, but we will walk you through it. If it's not property managed, we'll take care of everything. Here's a couple rental terms I think you should know. Application fee. Application fees are small, non-refundable fees to process your application and background check. Then, once you got a house, before you move in, it's called an earnest deposit. Earnest deposit holds the home while the lease is being finalized, and it is applied towards your security deposit. So needless to say, our next one is security deposit. This is money held by the landlord or the property management company to cover potential damage. Refundable at the end of your lease if the home is in good condition. Many leases also have a small pet and cleaning fee. These are usually non-refundable and they cover pet wear and tear and of course cleaning costs. Lease term. Most of the lease terms are a minimum 12 months. Depends if it's a short-term rental, but most part, they're 12 months. Okay, a couple other little things you need to know. A buyer-broker agreement. Arizona law requires this signed agreement before we can show you homes. It simply states you're allowing us to work with you to show you these homes. But we keep it very simple and very easy to cancel. So if you're not happy, you are not tied down. And then finally, the seller compensation addendum, or the SCA. This form outlines how we are compensated. Now, in most cases, the landlord pays our fee, making our service complimentary to you. If the landlord won't cover it and you still want that house, we'll discuss a fair service fee together. Hope you've learned something on applying for a house. I'm Jason. We'll see you soon.